Hello signal fans, this is a model 040201 made by Safetran systems. These were in operation in the United States between 2002 and 2005. I made this video because really I can't find a whole lot about this bell online, other than one article I found on an RX signal forum that I'll post here in the links. I'd like to solicit any information you guys may have about it. So the purpose of this video was really to describe the operation of this hybrid bell, take a look at its internals, connect it to this oscilloscope, and we'll be able to see the signals as we connect it to a battery and hear it operating. And so with the bell removed, we can see the internals. We've got the coil and ferrite. The ferrite appears to be in maybe a brass or a copper column to protect it from damaging itself. There's a Safetran B pack module, model 04021, that says 10X. I guess this module has some active components as well as just what looks like an LC tank. Can't be sure because the whole thing is covered in epoxy. I want to say they don't want us in there. Otherwise I'd post a schematic. This right here, which I thought was a capacitor, is a metal oxide varistor, MOV. You typically see these in surge suppression circuits. They have a clamping voltage that once that voltage is reached, basically it closes the connection. So the idea here is that there's some amplifier in here, and it's going to boost up the signal to something that is capable of lifting this. And once that voltage is reached, the clamping takes effect. It closes, the coil de-energizes, and then it strikes the bell. The clamping voltage is somewhere between 19 and 24 volts. So once it sees 19 volt minimum, it's going to close. The MOV may have some surge suppression use in this bell, but I doubt it. I think it's just an interrupter. If anybody knows for sure, post any comments that you've got. So now we're going to reassemble the bell. Just put that one bolt back on, connect it to a car battery, and we'll hear that beautiful bell. Put just some spacers there to simulate the height of the bottom of the gong to the housing. And I'll just apply some power real quick here just to make sure that, see what happens, and then we'll put the bell back on. The 4 hertz signal. All right, and so with the gong replaced, I'm just going to connect power now. Now, when I remove power, you'll hear that there's a dampening. Some folks talk about there's a difference in the sustain on this bell versus another bell. As the plunger makes its last strike on the bell, that is, I guess, a fingerprint or something that indicates that what you're hearing is a hybrid bell. The other reason why I wanted to make this video was to solicit any feedback or information about why these might have been taken out of operation. It seems to be a mystery. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys about this, because I couldn't find anything on the web. If you know anything, post it in the comments. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say.